Did you know that UiPath Forward TechEd is only in 20 days? That's really soon. And if you don't know what this event is about, let me tell you. This is going to be one of the biggest events of the year for UiPath, and it's expected to have around 4,000 attendees. So let's go through the agenda, what are the different sessions they are offering, as well as what is to be expected from this event. First thing that you'd want to do is to go to the link. I'll put it in the description, of course, for the UiPath Forward event. And as you can see, you'll be greeted directly with how many days are left till the event itself. So you will have a brief description of what has been done in the past, as well as the different speakers and what the TechEd and Forward will be all about. So you can go and scroll through all of these. For us, let's start off with the agenda. So the agenda we have, like I said, from 21st until the 24th. So you can either go and check what is going to be happening for all 3 days, or you could just select one of those days. So if you're interested for the 21st and so on. So if you're more like what I want to be expecting from this particular event, such as what are the different new features that UiPath has been implementing or what has been done throughout the year, of course you can go either for the Forward event itself, and you can just see what are the different time slots for each activity, such as the registrations and the different sessions that they will be presenting, as well as their speakers, of course. Other thing is TechEd. So for TechEd as well, you will have the same thing. You will have the registrations and the different events that will be taking place, of course, with their respective speakers. Now, we do have something that is quite interesting. I myself will be participating in one of these, which I'll call the roundtables. And roundtables will be loads of speakers for the lunchtime or during specific times at least, and you will go through different subjects such as AI recipe for success, AA powered, and so on. So for us Roboians, we have a few sessions for these roundtables. Andreas will be speaking for the leveraging AI and smart process discovery and automation, as well as leveraging Gen AI with UiPath for enhancing automation. I myself will be presenting UiPath Test Suite and how to maximize ERP transformation, leveraging UiPath for effective tests and early integration. So stay tuned for that. I will be making another video specifically for that roundtable. Finally, we do have the list of all the different speakers and experts at this particular tab, and you can scroll through all of them if you're interested to, get into contact with one of these, as well as the experts, of course. You can go through them. There's a short bio for each one of them. Finally, if you are convinced and you are interested in joining for this particular event, you can directly click on register now, fill in the different forms, and you should get your own tickets. As well as once you get your voucher for that ticket, you can book your room at the MGM hotel